So hello everyone, today we have a new job. It's an ASUS gaming laptop, the model GA401L. As per customer, he says whenever he boots up his laptop, the screen flickers. I will show it to you in a little video over here. Actually it flickers in cold mode, but whenever the boot finishes and the laptop is going into a game or something like that, or the laptop heats up, so the screen will go back normal again. So I'm gonna try to boot up the laptop right now and see what's happening. You have a screen. Is the laptop on? Yeah, the laptop is on. Yeah, but we don't have any display. Yeah, okay. So laptop is on. Yep. Seems that the screen is okay right now. It is normal. Nothing is happening. Nothing special. So as he said, I just contacted the customer. As he said that if the laptop is in very cold room, it will do the flickering thing. Other than that, it will not do anything. So what I'm gonna do right now, actually the laptop is virused. I just figured it out. My USB just got the virus and I'm cleaning it right now. But anyway, nothing harmful, just the .lnk virus. Sure, if you search the web, you will find many solutions for it. Now I'm gonna disassemble the unit and I'll get back. Now the cover is out. Whoa. By opening the cover, I can see what the problem might be. Let me zoom in and show you what I mean. Do you see that? Do you see that? Come on, this is all dust. I can't believe it. This is all dust. No wonder, no wonder if the laptop is under very cool condition, the screen will flicker. The flickering is not made by the screen itself or a faulty GPU or something like that. The most probably that moisture can come under those dusty things and make data scramble. Yeah, too much dust and things like that. You see, there's a lot of dust. So what I'm gonna do now is just remove the I'm gonna remove the heatsink first and do some cleaning. But first, before doing anything else, I just wanna remove the battery. Yeah, the battery is out. Yeah, so at first, let me grab a alcohol napkin. don't know if you can see. Let me close up a little bit. This is the thermal paste that is hardened because it's very old and it had some worse days. You see? Yeah, maybe it's from factory, so that's good. That's a good thing, not a bad thing actually. We can manage this. As you can see, I'm just removing the old thermal paste. Good, clean. And now I just want to clean this. I want to show you too. See? Yeah. This is the thing that I'm talking about. It's very old. Both of these are clean. Now it's time to clean up the fans. After putting the case aside, let me just try to clean. Come on, this is too much. Let me try to clean those fans. Now, to test the laptop, the same testing condition or working condition of the laptop, I'm gonna turn on my air condition. Also, I'm gonna apply some thermal paste. Great. Is it charging? Will it boot? First it boots. Actually the charger does not have power. Sorry about that. Will it boot right now? No. Oh yeah, the battery is charging. The laptop is on. Do we have flickers? So my air conditioner is on and it has a very cold air coming out. Let me put the laptop in front of it and we'll see what will happen. Yeah, so the customer says that he put his laptop, if his laptop is under very cold condition, it will flickers. So I assume he puts his laptop like this just when he's playing games to get it cold. So can it be the problem? Can it be the issue? Can we have the issue right now? yeah, oh yeah, you can see, yeah, that's right, he's right. You can see flickers under very cold conditions. Yeah, and the screen is very cold. So the thing is, the problem is not the CPU or GPU, it is the screen. So all we have to do now is replace the screen. So I'm gonna ask for another screen for this laptop. When I replace it, we will see if the issue continues. So after waiting for 2 days, I got a new screen. Sorry, I didn't show you how to disassemble this one because I needed to disassemble it so quick for the supplier to know which screen I need. But to disassemble this type of screens, it's very easy actually. Whenever you see something like this, a frameless screen, you will find a part of adhesive that will be hanging over each side from this. So with your tweezer you can pull the adhesive out and roll it out until it get the screen loose. Yeah, it's like a sticker adhesive or something like that. The same type of adhesive that is used for the iPhone batteries or any mobile batteries actually. So I removed those stickers or adhesive. In this way you will pop it out in a clean way. Nothing got hurt or something like that. Now we're gonna apply two of those. Are they already cut or should I cut them? Maybe I should cut them. Okay, that's good. Now I should separate those apart. Great. Now I should apply I don't know if I can show it to you well. Should be like this, aligned all along till the edge. So my edge here is a little bit longer. So now I'll be cutting the edge. Let me show you the edge, what I mean by the edge. It is like this. And is, I don't know, you can see this. This is the edge that I want to cut through. Anyway, but if I like, I can make it a little bit shorter. It doesn't matter. This is it. Let me do the other side. Okay, good. All ready. All is ready now to insert the new screen. So what I'm gonna do now is connect the screen do it the other way around. Sorry, I couldn't show it to you, but whenever you get this one, you will know how to do it. It's very easy. Okay. Lining up the cam so I can see better. No. Removing those blue shields. Great. Aligning the screen. Very well, very well. And this side too. Great. Little bit of push. And this is it. This is it. Now my AC is giving me a very low temperature. Trying it in front of it. Trying the screen actually. Let's see if there's something will happen just like before, just like the last time that the screen flickered. And I assume that the thing is fixed. I'm just replacing the old screen. So I think this is it. The issue is very clear that whenever the user is using his laptop in an extreme low temperature condition, the screen flickers. It happened with us, so that was so obvious that the screen was affected. Maybe because he has done it too many before. I think the inside the screen, inside the connectors, are getting moist. So whenever it moist up again, it will do those flickers. Because there's one part of the screen that got flickered, not all of it, and actually it's in a horizontal way. Anyway, so to fix this, I just replaced the monitor, the screen actually, and it worked. After cleaning and everything, this is it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and thank you for your support, and see you on another job. Bye.